What is up, everybody? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to buy Robux on Roblox. But before we start the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Let's start. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to the Roblox website or the Roblox app. Now, search up roblox.com, and now you're in the Roblox website. Now, what you need to find is the Roblox icon, which you can see on the top right corner of the screen. Click on that, then head over to buy Robux. Then, once you're in this section, you will be greeted with a list of options for Robux. Now, let's say you want this one. You want to buy 22,500 Robux. Just click on this. Then, in here, you will see your payment options. Just pick one that you want to use, then click on it. Then, you will now be redirected to the payment information. Now, just put in your payment information or your card information, then click on pay. And there you go. That's how you buy Robux on Roblox. Hope this video helps.